What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog. I'm Dinesh and this is Cranks and Pistons. Today we have a long day planned ahead for us. I'm out to check if my car is roadworthy. We need to do this every year, but before that, check this out guys. Woo! It's a good looking Z4. Z4, right? I hope so. No badges on the car. Sick looking car. Let's get down ahead with the day. Let's go pick up the car and go get it checked. I'm really hoping the exhaust doesn't give any issues, but you never know. There she is. All good to go, set. But I do need to go get the car washed first. I parked it out for one day and I did the mistake of parking it under a tree. So the car is filthy now. So I'm gonna go get this car washed, check the exhaust for any leaks, clean the interiors, and get on. The exhaust makes me so happy. At the same time, it gets me so scared that I won't get my roadworthiness certificate because emission standards are really tight in Hong Kong, and I'm really hoping that it works because we did cut the second cat. First cat is still there in the car, so hopefully the emission works out, but we really have to wait and see how it goes, right? So I'm hoping that all you guys are doing really well during this lockdowns in all the different countries. Hong Kong was never on a lockdown, but we did have our regulations and guidelines of not going out, and they were not letting people more than 4 people in a group to be seen outside. So basically you can't get together with all your friends outside. You're welcome to do it in your house, but you can't go out with it. Oh, alright, can you go? Doofus me. What are you gonna do? So, hopefully all of you guys are keeping safe, and please do keep safe. I need my viewers, I need my subscribers, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, lightly tap the subscribe button and hit the like button for the video to support me making more videos and more shenanigans, and hopefully keep my car. I mean, having a car in Hong Kong is really tough, and maintaining it is another pain. You gotta pay for parking, the maintenance costs are high, multiple licenses, the insurance cost is high. I mean, the cost comes out more than the value of the car. That's how hard it is. So please do subscribe guys and support me. Let's do this. Check this out you guys. Check it out. Please excuse the poop right there. We're gonna go get that fixed right now. But that's a beautiful Gallardo with their stripe. The stripe really doesn't match the Gallardo, but okay. It doesn't look too bad. All right, time to go. So I have got some expert advice from my mechanic and a few other people. If you guys seen my exhaust install video, you'd have seen the amount of smoke that came out of the exhaust, right? So what was their advice was, get on the highway, hold it to 3000 RPM or less, let the engine run for a bit, get the engine heated up, so when you do go for the emission test, your smoke emission won't be that high. There's obviously gonna be some emission, but it's not gonna be so high. So now I'm gonna go take the car out on the highway, go for a gentle cruise up and down, maybe hit some 10 kilometers and see how this turns out, see if we do pass the emission test. Fingers crossed, guys. Alright, looks like we've arrived in our location. I mean, I really should not be worrying, right? There are all these JDM cars with loud ass exhausts and God knows what tune going on in their car, and they're getting roadworthiness certificates. I hope so. I hope they are worthy enough to be on the road. Look at that. Popo big time on the rollout. We're stuck in some jam, so I guess they're here to clear everything out. These are like toy bikes that they're riding, but most cops in Hong Kong, they have sick bikes. They have these Beamers, Triumphs, the huge Tourers, and not all of them are going fast, but to a limit. To catch you on the highway, they do open up to pace you. I don't know about their riding skills. I've never really seen them going full attack on the bikes like we used to do that in India. I have some videos that I just found of me and my boys when we used to do track days back in India. I'm gonna put that up soon. There's a whole separate video coming up for that, so do watch, you guys. Looks like we have arrived. This is the spot. Gonna pull the car in. Actually, this, fingers crossed, guys. Let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. So we just logged in, signed in. We're ready for the appointment. They're gonna take the car inside and they're gonna do the full check of the car. I want to know what are each part of the car they're going to check. So they told me that I can check it online. I can go through the document that is available in the Hong Kong Transport Bureau website. But in the meantime, check this out. She does look good. She does look good when she's really clean, right? And I just wish I could maintain it that way. I have it in an open parking, so it doesn't always stay clean. It's gone in, getting ready. Lucky I was here. They wanted me to remove the lug nuts or the bolts on the wheels that I had put. So I just removed that, and he was hammering it and trying to check, I don't know, some sound or I think earthing for the car. But anyways, now we have 30 minutes to kill, and I came out to look around what else is going on, and I did see something really sweet. There is a car showroom here with some sick cars. Check out this Ferrari here, guys. Beautiful. 458, 488, not sure, but sick Ferrari. Killer M3. That is a beautiful looking M3. Wow. Crazy orange, KTM orange on the M3, more like a satiny orange. I don't know if the camera can get it. But, and the Ferrari is red. Good scenes, man, good scenes. All right, moving along. So, we're gonna wait for the car to get done, and that's it. That's it. I just had to get the roadworthiness certificate done, and tomorrow I'm gonna go get my new license so that I'll be okay to drive for the next 1 year at least, minimum at least 1 year for the time being, if I don't sell the car. All right, guys, inspection is done, and we have the results in the hands. Let's take a guess for pass or fail. I think with a smile you can say it is a pass. Yeah, she's all good, she's ready, running, legal to run on the roads. Next we're gonna go get the license, and we're set for at least a year now. We don't have to come back into any of the licensing offices for the next year. So let's pick up the car and head out. Yeah. And we're back on the same road. Oh man, it's closed. The transport department is closed, so I can't get my license renewed today. I'm hoping I can probably go to another office tomorrow and get it done, but they told me to check for an appointment online. Man, it's this COVID issues. Because of the COVID that all this has been suspended and cancelled. So now I'm gonna have to log into their website, log into the transport department website and check for dates where I can book an appointment and then come back and get this done. But today was a good day. We got our roadworthiness certificate done, so I'm happy for that. This ends the vlog for today. We're gonna join again very soon. We're gonna go do some donuts and burnouts, so do stay tuned, you guys. If you like today's video, hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. So like that, this vlog is over, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.